And the community of Augusta held its annual professional rodeo today, a month after serious flooding forced organizers to postpone the event. MTN's Jonathan Ambarian found out what it took to get ready for the new date.
The 82nd annual Augusta American Legion Rodeo got underway with traditional ceremonies. Spectators watched dozens of top cowboys and cowgirls riding and roping. Chad Shearer has been coming to the Augusta Rodeo for more than 25 years.
We've got a lot of friends that are participating today and just cheering them on, and also have some of our family from South Carolina coming in, and so our nieces, it's going to be their first rodeo.
The one thing out of the ordinary this year was the date. The rodeo was scheduled for June 24th, but with less than a week to go, Augusta was hit with serious flooding.
We had a river running through the gate right behind us.
Ben Arps has chaired the rodeo committee for 30 years. He says the grounds took a lot of damage, and it took a lot to get them ready.
We had to haul material in, and we had Boy Scout troops come and put in a long day helping us, and just a lot of volunteers come and helped us, and we got it done. It took some doing, but
the postponement didn't keep the crowds away. On Rodeo Sunday, you could see cars and horse trailers lined up all the way along Highway 287 coming into Augusta.
It's amazing how this community just came together and just transformed this whole city back to where we could have the rodeo here today. So hats off, they did a great job.
Arps said it showed how the Augusta community has rallied since the flooding.
Small town, people come together and help each other, and it all worked out.
Regardless of whatever happens, Rodeo Augusta will always happen.
In Augusta, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.
This was the only day with no other PRCA rodeo in Montana, so many of the competitors were able to make it despite the change in date.